Hi Nitisha, welcome to Global Influencers Hub. Here we talk about the life journeys of social media influencers,
Thank you.
and we cannot wait to deep dive into yours. What I mean by deep dive is actually taking you right back to your childhood.
Okay.
So tell us about Nitisha as a child.
Okay. So as a child, I was very particular. I was very angry also because see, if someone touches my books, I used to actually clean the whole bookshelf once
Oh
again.
my
I
God.
would put all of them down. I get so furious. I got so angry. And then first I used to cry. And then I pick up one by one book, I wipe it, and then I rearrange it. So this habit of organizing, I like if someone touches my desk, now I just used to throw whole books out once, and then cry because of that anger which is piled up. And
Okay.
then after getting angry, also I will not let anyone help me. I will pick my own books.
Okay.
I will again put it down nice, and actually this anger burst out used to happen twice a week क्योंकि
Okay.
कहीं ना कहीं like if someone is keeping
हाँ,
something in my
हाँ, हाँ,
room,
हाँ, हाँ.
and at that time I did not have a separate like room. I was sharing it with my brother, या फिर मम्मी आती है रूम में if mother comes and put
Right.
something here
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
there
हाँ.
on the table on the study desk.
Right, right, right.
So that was I was very particular about my things and
Okay.
very angry also.
So an angry child and
Yes, yes.
an organized child.
Yes, 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 yes.
Wonderful. So, yeah, education ki so who do you think actually made a difference आपके सोच में when you were young, when you were a child?
Okay. I still remember my mother teaching me clock on a slate. At that time, we did not have this pen, tab, iPads. We used to have slate. So she was teaching me once. I was in first standard. I was in the first day of first standard, and we sat down at around 1:30 p.m. And she taught me clock, like how to see the clock and how to interpret the timings.
Mm.
Till then, I never knew like senior, junior. I never knew about it. And after she taught me, I got it within 15 minutes. And then she told me, now I hand over your time to you. You will now. Yes. That was my first
Very
standard moment.
powerful.
That,
Amazing. I love it. बहुत बढ़िया. Wonderful. Kudos to your mom for saying that.
yeah.
Yeah. And then?
And then that was the time she never touched my books. She never told me to complete anything. And I took it everything on my shoulders. So I think that was a transitionary moment जो मुझे पता नहीं था उस time पे. Obviously, when I was a first grader, I never knew कि what is this actually going to come to me. What responsibility will I have to own for myself? So even if my parents were never that कि भाई marks लेके आना है and you should be a ranker, but
पढ़ाई करना
somehow
है.
I took it on my own shoulders. I thought कि now I know the time. Now I think I will have to take care of the time, and I will want to get the best out of that time. So I started studying, and I was a ranker
One.
throughout like till the last day of college.
Wow. So I think that line from your mother बहुत असर पड़ी थी.
Huh.
It actually like made a difference in your thinking and
It
thought pattern as well. Somehow you took that
yes,
responsibility कि नहीं, एक student का काम पढ़ना होता है. So
exactly.
what else did you do as a child? Like except aside from studies and all.
Okay. So I am not at all extracurricular child. मुझे करिकुलम के अलावा मैंने बचपन में कुछ भी नहीं किया है. I don't know a single sport also. I never went down in the society. We used to live on first floor. So I was never, I don't know बचपन से क्यों ऐसा था. I did not have that urge कि see those girls are giggling downstairs. Let me go. Okay. I never owned a doll in my
अच्छा.
childhood.
Wow, okay.
So, and And like in fourth standard, when I just got rank, I just had a deal with my father कि you get me those Legos. वो छोटे छोटे घर बनाने के होते हैं ना. So you get me that. But doll was never my question, neither my worry. I don't have one, or I will want to upgrade the edition of Barbies. At that time, the Barbies were like on go.
In
And
trend,
every summer
yeah.
edition used to come,
Uh-huh.
beach edition and then hill edition, something like that.
Hmm.
So I never fuss about being in a group. I used to stand in my balcony. I used to watch those girls, but it was my observation. It was not out of that I want to be part of that group or I want to go down and play with them or खिखी खाखा. वो मुझे नहीं समझ आया पहले से.
अच्छा.
So extra curricular था नहीं मेरे पास. So what I used to do in vacation, आधा वेकेशन आई यूज टू स्टडी पुरानी बुक्स जो मैंने पढ़ लिया, जो हो गया रैंक आ गया. और जब नए बुक्स आ जाते थे ऑन द डे ऑफ रिजल्ट, आई यूज टू स्टडी रेस्ट ऑफ द नए बुक्स इन द वेकेशन इटसेल्फ. इंग्लिश हो गया जहाँ पे स्टोरीज पोम्स होते हैं, देन दिस हिंदी गुजराती जहाँ पे कंसेप्ट्स नहीं आते, इट्स जस्ट स्टोरी बेस्ड. And I used to read each and every line of English textbook. Even in the text, there's small activity which is given. And I used to imagine, I used to live in my head.
This it's very nice.
This was the safest place for me.
Wow. Okay, very cool, very cool. So tell me, so do you, now looking back, do you at any point in time ever regret कि like अरे यार ये तो करना चाहिए था, वो कभी आती है? और were you like very happy doing what you were doing, or is it like the external pressure that you had taken that you were like नहीं मुझे prove करना है खुद को, और you know ऐसा कुछ था, or what was it like?
देखो, मुझे regret एक भी चीज का नहीं है. Reason, if I want to learn some sport, I can enroll today itself. So why regret? Right? Today, in fact, the things are available at fingertips.
Correct.
At that time, we used to find and then travel and whatnot things. तो पहला कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, but one thing is very sure, मैंने time नहीं waste किया है. So कुछ नहीं अगर भी किया है in terms of people's eye, that you should have pursued dance, Bharatnatyam somewhere or played at least a single sport, for an example. तो मैंने वो नहीं किया है ना, but I never wasted a single minute. I did something. Maybe it was repetition also. It was something new also. And I tell everyone around me that I am a mental person. I cannot physically exert myself. मुझे 1 घंटे का योगा लगवाना है ना, तो I have to train my brain, get ready my brain. I have to, you can say, रिश्वत my brain कि after you come out of the yoga ne, you will have a nice cup of cappuccino after you're out from yoga. Right. So I used to, right now till today, I mean I came from yoga class at 11 a.m. but वो मैं मतलब, okay, I have an interview today, I have a podcast today, so that's exciting. Now let's do yoga first. So I attach this not so likable things with some very likable things.
Very cool.
Okay.
Very cool.
And I am a mental person. You tell me, Nitisha, these are the 5 books. Complete within a day. I will read, I will explain. And how am I is, you give me something to read for 5 minutes. And I can teach that topic to you for 3 long hours. Contemplating that I am master in that.
Fantastic! What a super gift to have. ये तो बहुत ही बढ़िया चीज है. It's an amazing thing to have, of course. Now I will go back to, so what was your favorite subject during school?
Maths.
Wonderful.
Mathematics.
Wow.
Mathematics.
Fantastic.
Yes. Mathematics.
Wonderful. And what else?
Mathematics was my favorite subject, and biology. Wow. Or many of them don't know, I am a doctor. I am a dental surgeon. Okay. But I took just mathematics in 11th. Now, how did I end up being a doctor if I'm not taking biology? Just a month before final examination. It's summer here, like in the final was in the month of April first week, and the summer starts happening. And I was drying those potato wafers with my mother on the terrace. One summer, 1 month before summer, that examination.
That's a good recipe.
Oh yeah, I will. So I was doing that wafer सुखाने का काम.
हाँ.
और पता नहीं वो हवा क्या चली, क्या सोच आई, मैंने बोला कि मुझे तो बायो करना है. मेरे एग्जाम के फाइनल के पहले 1 महीने, फाइनल 11th का फाइनल एग्जाम. माय मॉम डिड नॉट रिएक्टेड, मे बी शी न्यू कि ये कुछ भी बोलेगी और करेगी भी.
Of course, because you've been proving yourself ना over time.
Yes.
तो उसको तो वो तो दिमाग में है already कि इसके बारे में I don't have to put
Worry.
an extra method. Absolutely. हाँ.
तो उन्होंने बोला कि हाँ ठीक है, ये खत्म करते हैं और नीचे जाके डैडी को बात करते हैं. We went down and I said, Daddy, I want to do biology. And my daddy loves complication. Like when you handle him a complicated task, like to think or to solve, he gets very excited. तो मेरे ख्याल से वो complication solving का उनमें से like I inherited that from him. तो हमने नीचे जाके उनसे बात किया. तो उसने बोला ठीक है, मैं स्कूल आता हूँ. I said, but I did not study biology for 1 whole year. तो स्कूल में गए तो उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसा तो फिर कैसे. तो then my father said, okay, my child will give both examination, maths and biology, final examination both. Then after she'll take only bio in 12th. Will that work with you? And at that time you can get 2 subjects, and right now also you can get 2 subjects if you want. तो 1 महीने में मुझे पूरा बायो पढ़ना था फाइनल एग्जाम के 1 महीने पहले, क्योंकि मुझे फाइनल एग्जाम, और फिर हमने ऐसा दिखा दिया था कि आई वाज स्टडीइंग सिंस द डे 1 इन स्कूल एंड 11th में इट इज ओके इफ यू आर गेटिंग गुड इन 11th बायोलॉजी. तो 1 महीने में आई हैव टू स्टडी फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथमेटिक्स, हैव टू रिवाइज दैट एंड स्टडी न्यू बायोलॉजी. आई डिड इट. I studied.
Wow.
And I end up scoring 78 in both maths and biology out of 80.
Wow, that's amazing.
तो फिर उसके बाद जाके 12th में, और मुझे तब तक भी नहीं पता था why am I even selecting. बस उस सुबह कुछ चला, कुछ हुआ दिमाग में, और पूरी लाइफ मैंने
चेंज कर दिया
मैथ से बायो.
हाँ. Wow, this is I think a superpower. I think you really are very passionate about, you know, acquiring a lot of knowledge.
Yes.
So I think वो वहाँ पे अगर passion अगर aligned हो जाती है तो nothing like it. There's nothing like it. Absolutely.
Yes.
So उसके बाद क्या हुआ? So you took your bio and after that what happened? So walk us through the
journey.
Yeah.
So biology लिया, उसके बाद आ गया रिजल्ट. उस टाइम पे वी यूज टू गो अहमदाबाद, जहाँ पे कट ऑफ लगता था बीजे मेडिकल कॉलेज में. वहां पे यू हैव टू वॉक, लाइक यू हैव राउंड्स ऑफ दिस राउंड्स होते हैं, फर्स्ट राउंड, सेकेंड राउंड, थर्ड राउंड तक यू कैन सिलेक्ट एंड चेंज योर ट्रांसफर योर कॉलेज. नाउ आई वेंट in that first round and we get a list outside कि okay MBBS full हो गया है, या फिर dental यहाँ का full हो गया है, यहाँ पे homeopathy full हो गया है, everything like that. Now we have one SMIMER college which is of SMC, सूरत म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का मेडिकल कॉलेज था SMIMER. मेरा टर्न आने वाला था, मेरे आगे एक बंदा था जिसका टर्न मेरे से पहले था. एक सीट बचा था सिर्फ मेडिकल कॉलेज में, MBBS में, एक सूरत में SMIMER में सीट was left. मैंने आगे वाले से पूछा था कि भाई what are you going to go inside and select? उसने बोला I am taking homeopathy. I am very sure I am taking that. तो मैंने तो यहाँ बार बोल दिया कि चलो भाई ये बंदी लेके आएगी MBBS की सीट. घर पे पापा ने फोन कर दिया कि हमें मिल गया SMIMER में ये है वो है. वो बंदे ने जाके SMIMER की सीट ले ली अंदर जाके.
Oh God.
और मैं देख रही हूँ यहाँ पे 0 आ गया वो पैनल पे, SMIMER 0
because it's
SMIMER
gone.
was one.
Oh
But
God.
that guy inside went and SMIMER was 0. और मैं अंदर गई, मतलब मेरे पास डिसीजन का कोई टाइम ही नहीं था.
टाइम ही नहीं था. हाँ.
I went inside and then you get us on screen this 2-3 colleges. एक था बड़ा कुछ दूर था, भावनगर का कुछ कॉलेज था, पर वो उसी साल नया खुला था, मेडिकल था. और मैं है ना वो कॉलेज भी देख के आई थी. लाइक वी यूज्ड टू हैव दिस ट्रेंड कि बिफोर यू गो इनटू दिस राउंड यू रोम कॉलेजेस ऑल ओवर जो आपकी लिस्ट में आपको बनानी है, बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू स्टे इन अ हॉस्टल. सो योर पेरेंट्स विल एटलीस्ट मेक यू सी द सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ दैट कॉलेज.
राइट राइट.
तो फिर वहां पे जाके आई एंड माय फादर वी बोथ वेंट इनसाइड और फट वी जस्ट टुक डिसीजन कि ओके वी आर डूइंग बीडीएस, वी आर नॉट डूइंग एमबीबीएस, we are doing BDS and we are doing it from Nadiad, which is Dharamsi Desai University. And then we took the admission and yes, whenever I leave my house for new places, I never cry. I mean, crying जैसा कुछ था नहीं, और पीछे मुड़ के देखना भी, it is never a question to me. They dropped me at my hostel gate. I was the one who is currently Sida walking, and then they were like seeing me go away. And obviously walk it, because when I'm clear कि okay यहाँ पे है, तो I will not let emotions drive me.
That's a very good thing to have. Absolutely.
So so I walked inside and then I never looked back, and I became a great student in dentistry itself. तो वहां पे पहला साल आया, पहले साल के फाइनल एग्जामिनेशंस हुए, तो मुझे वो रैंकिंग जैसा नहीं समझ आया. मुझे लगा ठीक है अभी स्कूल लाइफ में आ गया रैंक, तो कॉलेज में थोड़ी ना ऐसा सेम टू सेम होगा मेरे साथ. आई स्टडीड एंड आई गेव एग्जामिनेशन. 2 घंटे रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर हुआ, मैंने देख लिया ओके ठीक है सब में अच्छे मार्क्स है, ओके डन. आई कॉल्ड माय हाउस दैट आई एम डन विथ माय फर्स्ट ईयर एंड रिजल्ट इज गुड. 2 घंटे बाद मेरे सीनियर्स जो मेरी हॉस्टल में ही रहते थे, they started came running towards me and hugging me. I said क्या हुआ? I said okay fine, result आया and अच्छा आया तो you are congratulating me. अरे बुद्धू, everyone in the college is asking about you. Go in the college. My hostel and college was back only, like they had the same back. Go in the college, every professor is searching you that who is this girl, because she stood up first. और वो सीनियर ने मुझे बताया आके.
how sweet.
और फिर मुझे लगा अच्छा कॉलेज में भी आ सकता है, ठीक है तो फिर करो. तो फिर पूरा I passed out with this amount of intensity only, and knowledge and education.
Wonderful. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ? So then you passed out, from as a dentist?
Yes, in 2014. 9th May 2014 was my convocation day. जहाँ पे मेरे 5 साल खत्म हो चुके थे. उसके बाद I came here. I joined my clinic. I joined someone's clinic like as a dental assistant on the very next day. 10th May ko I was in that clinic. 9th May ko I came here. And I worked through the clinic, I guess, till October 2015. So I guess 1.5 years jitna. Everything was good. I used to came from a good family, so money was never my concern. कि भाई मुझे कितना पे मिल रहा है ऐसा नहीं था. How am I doing and what am I doing is at my priority. और and I was doing it. और फिर somehow वो दिवाली का time था. उसके बाद से I felt कि okay, this is something which I'm not doing. I don't like to do. I was treating 50 patients a day. वो clinic बहुत पुराना था. It was 40 years old clinic. So the patients and everything, that doctor whose clinic it was, he was the first one to come and graduate in Surat. Like he was the first one to come in Surat, like open a clinic. So उनका उतना पुराना था. फिर वो मुझे कुछ चीजें नहीं अच्छी लगने लगी. Not in terms of people or collaboration with people or a working system. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. There was some hollow. There was something which I felt missing. और वो derive हुआ धीरे in initial 2017. And then after I joined a local institution in Surat to teach biology, 11th and 12th standard children. और वो मुझे कब याद आया कि I can go into the teaching field, because during my internship in Nadiad, you have half day college. After 2 you are totally free. और तब पढ़ाई भी नहीं होती है बिकॉज योर एकेडमिक्स आर ओवर, इट्स जस्ट प्रैक्टिस यू आर सपोज टू डू, एंड 2 बजे के बाद यू आर फ्री. और उस टाइम पे इन इंटर्नशिप इट इज कंपलसरी कि यू हैव टू लीव द हॉस्टल एंड यू हैव टू गो इन पीजी ओनली, बिकॉज पढ़ना नहीं है तो हॉस्टल का सीट आप नहीं रख सकते. तो आई वेंट इन पीजी एंड वहां पे मैंने शुरू किया था 11th के बच्चे को बायोलॉजी पढ़ाना. शाम के 3 बैचेस लगाए थे, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 इंटर्नशिप के शाम में. और मेरे जो कलीग्स थे ना वो वही नडियाद लोकल में दूसरे क्लिनिक में शाम में जाके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे, पर मुझे वो चीज नहीं सूझी. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओके इन द इवनिंग फ्री टाइम आई टीच चिल्ड्रन. तो मेरे जो मैं जिसके वहां पीजी में रह रही थी उसी की बेटी 12th में थी, 11th 12th में. तो उन्होंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोल दिया, वो लोग पढ़ने आने लग गए एंड एवरीथिंग. और तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ 2016 एंड में जब when I sat with me, like I went 5 days in meditation in total silence to find out what is actually happening. Like Art of Living के Vasad Ashram में I went.
Fantastic.
Yes, and I had 3 days of silence there. तो फिर ऐसे बाहर आके ऐसा हुआ, मतलब वो बैक से ही आता है, दिमाग से ही आता है. when you quieten
your
this
higher
ego
soul
ने,
actually lets you know that. Yeah.
yes, because all answers are within you.
Absolutely.
So you just have to quieten your ego.
Totally.
वो करा और बाहर आके मतलब ऐसा नहीं था, it was not a spot moment. वो बायोलॉजी मैथ्स जितना एक ही दिन एक ही हवा एक ही घंटा वो नहीं था इसमें. It was gradual. और बस बाहर आके फिर वो याद आया उस टाइम पे कि हाँ मैं ये करा रही थी ना, तब मैं बड़ी खुश रहती थी एंड आई वाज हैप्पी एंड आई हैड गुड टाइम विद चिल्ड्रन. तो फिर मैंने यहाँ पे लोकल, क्योंकि मुझे पढ़े हुए भी आई गेस 8-9 साल हो चुके थे तब तक. तो आई फर्स्ट वेंट अंडर समवन एंड आई टॉट फॉर 1 year. And then in 2018 January I opened a small room which you call as Nitisha's education.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Here.
So tell us about like the first the first students who came.
Yes.
And then experience kaisa raha when you like saw your name and like alag sa feeling hota hai na when you actually see that dream of yours, like, you know.
Yes.
Like right in front of your eyes.
So first बच्ची जो आई थी उसका नाम था खुशी.
Oh, so sweet.
And till today we are in contact.
Wonderful.
Till this time. I think she has passed out college now. And yes, and she works in a bank actually now. So till today we are in contact and उसका नाम खुशी था ना. I was very happy that way कि okay this is the first, क्योंकि मुझे मेरे पहले बच्चे का नाम याद रखना था पहले से ही. So
of course,
the name was also very sweet and
I know,
meaningful.
खुशी तो है.
खुशी. हाँ. और फिर एक से 5, 5 से it was not double, it was exponential. Right in my first year. Reason कि I was a doctor. So that has already put me 2 steps ahead in the league.
Right, correct.
Right, because you want your child to end up being a doctor engineer. In 2018, okay, I'm not talking about 2026, which is a total different scenario. Post-COVID, whole definition has changed. Everything has changed post-COVID. So as in I was respected and I was trusted, though I was I used to look very young. I was trusted by parents, like of 9th standard, of 10th standard. And organization skills I already had from childhood. Like too complicated task को solve करना, I already had it from my father. Taking responsibility वो तो मम्मी ने ही सिखाया था.
No. और बचपन से ही सिखा दिया थी.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो मैंने खुद को भी मैंने ही पढ़ाया है.
Right.
तो ये तो दूसरों को पढ़ाना था, तो वो था ही. और मुझे वो चीज डॉक्टर बनने के लाइक 20-25 लाख खर्च के 2 साल 5 साल 7 साल एक्चुअली 2 साल ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड 5 years ऑफ स्टडी एंड स्टेइंग इन हॉस्टल, तब तक भी ये चीज नहीं पता लगी थी. हाँ. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट एट 20 also, at 30 also, 40 also, 50 also, 60 also, and 70 also you can hit your superstar moment.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I completely believe in that. Absolutely.
As long as you are breathing,
Totally.
anything can happen.
100%. I'm so glad that, that's a good message to have for everyone. I think that is so important. Yeah.
It is
Now
important.
tell us about like कोई hard phase था to build this platform?
हाँ ना, हार्ड फेस बनाने में नहीं था, बन गया था, पर जो कोर टीम थी, they left one fine morning, like, and it actually taught me a lot. It taught me professionalism, much of a professionalism. It taught me to make clear boundaries. It taught me to be vocal for what you want. And also, it taught me that I will also have to ask samne wala to put your boundaries also. So that our walls don't clash, but rather it can fit. Because I work with lots of team members. Like I have 25 currently in my team. तो हर एक के साथ काम करना एंड एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू सिट ऑन अ सिंगल चेयर. लाइक यू डोंट बिलीव 25 है ना, हर रोज एक छुट्टी पे होता है, एनी विच वेज, राइट? सो यू हैव टू फील दैट पर्सन्स प्रॉक्सी, क्योंकि उनका एक छुट्टी के लिए यू विल नॉट हायर 2 persons फॉर वन जॉब पोस्ट.
Correct.
You will manage that day.
Hmm.
So 25 days of a month, I manage someone else's timetable because I am the one who knows everything right now. I'm the one who can do any and every job which is being done by 25 people here in this institution. और वो आना भी चाहिए. और वो इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि मैंने एक छोटे से कमरे से I started in a small room with a single child. I remember my journey very nicely. So I came from like this to this. And I know कि यहाँ बीच में ये इंसान का माइंडसेट ऐसा है ना, तो इसको ये प्रॉब्लम होगी, तो मुझे पहले ही जाके मेरी टीम को सोल्यूशन दे देना है. एंड आई वर्क विद देम बेस्ड ऑन साइकोलॉजी.
Fantastic.
I work with them on based of their potential and not my expectations. मुझे पोटेंशियल को कैसे उनके पास फ्लिप करवाना है, दैट इज अगेन अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग. दैट आई रीड बुक्स हियर एंड देयर and that I gain from podcasts and everywhere. So currently also I study, like, and then I implement either in me, in my team, in my institution. But वो जो एक फेज था ना, वो उसने पूरी नितिशा's एजुकेशन की डेस्टिनी बदल दी. I would say that. And I would really thank some obstacles in our lives. और आने ही चाहिए.
Absolutely, because you learn the most.
Most.
You learn the most during a down phase.
Yes.
And that's why I never, personally me, I usually don't really glorify the word failure so much, because I feel that if you've really learned, so
It's a lesson.
learning phase ho gaya na. So it's not really, you've not failed, you've actually just learned. And journey to learning ki hi hai.
Learning की ही है.
So I think that's beautiful. That's very, very, very thoughtful. Now tell me something about the holistic education that you talk about.
Okay. बुक्स पढ़ाने की बात करें कि 10th स्टैंडर्ड में इतने टेक्स्ट बुक्स का पाइल है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, you will get YouTubers, you will get online teachers, you will get hundred of free PDFs and hundreds of free videos to study the textbooks. But it is not going to make you. What is going to make you? Your mental resilience, your emotional stability, your commitment towards your own words, your time discipline, your discipline of engaging yourself towards your goals even if you don't feel like. तो ये चीज है holistic development.
Absolutely.
I will not teach textbooks, and I tell my children and my parents also that I have hired way more knowledgeable tutors than me to make you teach textbook. But what beyond textbook? What about that? How about facing that fear which you have in mathematics when you enter your board examination. तो अगर ये चीज मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगी तो पूरे साल जो मेरी टीम ने, जो मेरे अच्छे से अच्छे मैथ्स के सर ने आपको पढ़ाया, यू विल गो ब्लैंक आउट. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू परफॉर्म? सो टू बी स्टेबल, इवन दोस्तों के बीच में लड़ाई हो जाती है एंड देन यू डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग टू स्कूल, गोइंग टू ट्यूशन, गोइंग लाइक यू जस्ट वांट टू वॉलो इन बेड. तो have to get out of it, have to face the life, have to face the fear, most importantly fear. Or fear is nothing, it comes out of unknown.
Correct.
Unknown things. And when you don't know it, if you are overthinking it negatively, why not overthink it positively?
Right, right.
तो बच्चों को ये नहीं पता है. और this generation post COVID, children have become so like cocooned. They cannot face even a single criticism. They will actually leave criticism. They will want praise first to get the job done. You have to keep them praising, then they will feel motivated. But बच्चा पूरा दुनिया आपको praise नहीं करेगी हर बार.
Yeah, exactly. It's not the real world.
It's not it. It's not
Right.
it.
Right.
So
Right.
the children have to be strong minded, and actually they are the one age group who is easily molded, who can be easily explained. They don't have much more things stored, क्योंकि adult को एक सिखाने में you take a lot of time to make them unlearn.
Correct.
तो होलिस्टिक का मतलब है कि आप कहीं पे भी यू स्टैंड and you will make your seat at that table. But most of my children doesn't just make seat, they own the goddamn table.
Wonderful, lovely, very cool. I love it. Very, very cool. Now tell me something, what according to you, what is that one thing that traditional education still get wrong? There's lots of things. I'm also in the education space. I'll connect with you later on about it because I'm really enjoying the conversation that you and I are having. Now, tell me something what you think that, traditional education still gets wrong.
Marking scheme. I don't understand, like, वो 3 घंटा, those 3 hours, how come a child will express, or so there has to be a generalized like year-long marking scheme. On that very particular day, if the child is sick, if the for God's sake, if someone died in the child's house, so in that mental space, how can the child will go and prove his or her worth? And it's just on that sheet, right, with the child is writing. If some child are lucky enough कि उन्होंने पहले वाले दिन जो पढ़ा वो आ गया, जो बच्चा पूरा साल पढ़ के आ रहा है, so there is no like an अच्छा line of demarcation about the preparation of child. जो हमें चाहिए ना पिन पॉइंट, वो पिन पॉइंट नहीं है somehow. पर इसके लिए there's a lot of consciousness which has to gather. This is not an easy step what we want.
Correct. Absolutely. Right. So I think इसको movement करके करना है.
हाँ.
Become a movement.
और आज शुरू हुई ना तो 50 साल में जाके आएगी. आज शुरू हुई तो. That's the perfect word. It's a movement.
Totally. Now, if you could change one thing, how children are taught usually, what do you think that would be?
Children should be like, they have to be connected to nature more. You make smart labs, you make AI driven labs, but you don't know, like Devika, you go and sit in a random garden one fine morning without any agenda, without any purpose. You will get a lot of answers. You will get a lot of insights.
Totally. Very true. Very, very true.
So, like, not all schools can afford in exteriors. So, I actually want that Gurukul style. where you sit under a tree and where a teacher is teaching. But again, to meet with the current demand of technology and everything, we will have to find a balance between
Right.
both.
Absolutely. No, absolutely. There needs to be a balance, but I think right now it's an extreme, you know. The
Yes.
other side has pretty much faded. So I
Yes.
feel that, you know, even to get a balance, there has to be a little bit of extreme here as well, where
Yes.
we are actually imposing that, you know, no, this is important and we need to do this.
We need to do this as well.
But
Yes. तो सनलाइट, बहुत सारे टीनेजर सनलाइट ही नहीं ले रहे.
no, they don't.
They are hooked up in their rooms, chatting here and there. They don't like to go downstairs and meet their uncle, aunts, relatives, grandparents, whoever comes to their house. And parents come to me कि ओके ठीक है, ये बच्चा है मेरा 98% आ रहा है, आई हैव नॉट कम हियर फॉर द एकेडमिक्स. उसको बोलो कि वो सोशली एक्टिव हो. उसको
Correct.
आप ऐसा बोलो कि जब उसके दादा दादी घर पे रहने आ रहे हैं, देन द चाइल्ड गेट्स इन्वॉल्व्ड. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं नहीं है. और दूसरा चीज मैंने वो भी एक फील आउट किया है, how we are expressive in terms of our expression and this gestures. Most of the children don't want to show their faces, their eyes. So where is this stemming from? Why is it stemming? This is actually a serious thing. That insecurity as a child, I don't remember having any insecure child in like 50 years back. Insecurity word ही नहीं था. नहीं था. तो ये सब क्या हो रहा है और बहुत फास्ट हो रहा है. As soon as you recognize the problem, you will have 10 more problems to get recognized with.
Correct.
बहुत फास्ट हो रहा है ये सब. तुम एक का सॉल्यूशन लाके रखोगे ना, वो कुछ और लेके आ जाएगा. So you have to keep that pace, and for that you have to constantly make connection before correction. You cannot just go to child and say don't, do. They are not machines. So this is the whole thing, but obviously every day it is 0.00001%. It's not.
So I like the phrase connection before correction.
Yes.
I mean, that's a very powerful thing to say, because I think a lot of people, that is where they go wrong as well. You know, you correct the child, but you don't even connect with the child. You know, without the connection, bachcha to sunega hi nahi.
नहीं सुनेगा.
Very, very, very powerful. Very good. Now, what do you think that is one struggle that, you know, children are facing, but they don't want to talk about it daily as well? Like, according to you.
Okay. क्या लगता है आपको कि अगर उसके मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इज द चाइल्ड वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट? सबसे ज्यादा फियर एक बच्चे को क्या है पता है? कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स को डिसअपॉइंट ना करे. और बिकॉज वो फियर है, वो कॉन्स्टेंटली द चाइल्ड इज थिंकिंग दैट the child is in higher chances of attracting that only which will disappoint his or her parents, because what you focus on will grow. Right? तो ये हर रोज नहीं बोलता है बच्चा. Actually in India we hardly, like, not I'm talking about Gen Zs and this generation, but my parents and my generation, we hardly hug. You don't have that openness of hugging. Even I have never seen my father hugging my mother, not till today. Right? So this emotional thing is something, emotional touch is also something which you will need it. No doubt these new generations are understanding it. तो एक बच्चे को ये सारी चीजें, the बच्चा who is in 10th, 11th, 12th, the parents are still of that age, that transition age.
Correct.
So they will not go and sit in front of a child and will explain. और बहुत सारे parents भी अपने parents का baggage carry कर रहे हैं. तो कौन सा बच्चा
very true
क्या सफर कर रहा है ना, वो उसके grandparents, great grandparents का आया हुआ है. बेचारा उसके पेरेंट्स wants कि my बच्चा be happy, बच्चा wants my parents be proud. पर ये जो चल रहा है ना ऊपर से जनरेशन, और पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अवेयर. उसके लिए क्या है, the parents might not end up reading much of psychology books or reading this and that and childhood trauma and etc. Nothing. कुछ भी नहीं करना है. अगर वो parent aware हो, मतलब a parent is engaging in a good meditation of 20-25 minutes, connecting in nature, अपने आप he or she, that parent, will find solution to deal with the children. It is not always that you have to be seeker for learning. Learning can happen in many ways apart from just reading.
Absolutely, 100%.
Because all what you need for your life to be better is already inside you.
Correct.
So
Correct.
let it ooze out.
Right. I think
So,
observation the right way is a very powerful method of learning as well.
Yes.
Right. Now tell us about NLP. I know you've integrated NLP and you talk about NLP mindset and all
Yes.
of that. So I would love to know how you actually integrate all of that in your learning patterns and all of that.
Okay. So NLP came out as a systematic course for my search of holistic education. Right? It is a child of the whole movement, which is holistic education. Neuro-linguistic programming.
Yeah.
Men get here first. It is bound to come in front of you. Be strong here. It is bound to get solved in front of you. And this is something which you are staying with. So now, do you want this to be your master or your slave?
Wonderful.
So,
Very powerful. Yeah.
so yes. So it involves again techniques, tools according to age wise. We coach for grades 5 to 7. There's a separate thing. 5 to 8, let's say. Then 9 to 12, where they enter teenage, where they enter friendship zone way more than their child. And then comes for working professionals and mothers and whatever, fathers everywhere, adults. Till age 65, that means till you are breathing. It's a learnable skill. It is applicable skill, not learnable also. It will not end when the course ends. Rather, it will begin when the course ends.
When the course, absolutely. So yeah, wow, yeah. So now, what do you think about that one mindset pattern that holds children back the most?
ये बहुत टफ है, ये मुझसे नहीं होगा. आपको किसने
कभी तो खत्म.
आपको बेटा किसने बोला?
हाँ.
कोई पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस ने बोला है मेरे पास आओ हम पास्ट को रीमॉडल कर देते हैं. पर आपका प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर तो ये नहीं बोल रहा. आप बोले जा रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ योर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस. या तो फिर टीचर आपको नहीं सही मिले थे, या फिर आपने हार्ड वर्क किया था और नहीं अच्छे स्कोर कर पाए थे. एंड यू मेक अ होल कंक्लूजन. Actually, we don't see events as just experience. We conclude. Mind is such a you can say raccoon जिसको कंक्लूजन पे ही जाना है. मतलब उसका फेवरेट स्पॉट ही कंक्लूजन है. वो अपने आप को बीच में रख ही नहीं सकता. उसको तो क्या ही दिक्कत है भाई. Why it wants to just run to conclude. बस ये अच्छा ये बुरा, ये सही ये गलत, पर इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत सारा है. And you miss life if you miss this spectrum.
Correct. And I think one of the key reasons being that that kids these days, I think meditation is one of the ways of actually doing it, but I don't know how to integrate that whole thing as well in school curriculum and all of it.
Okay, so meditation is not just sitting with your eyes closed. You like matcha, Gen Z likes matcha. Take a glass of matcha and savor every sip of that glass. It will take at least 20 minutes, and that is meditation. Do it.
Agreed.
You love Raymond balls? You love Raymond balls? Children loves Raymond balls. Take it, observe the texture, stir it, see the bubbles happening inside out. Take it, bite it, use that chopstick. It will consume aram se. But no, we want to watch Netflix having ramen bowls. We want to gossip having ramen bowls in cafeterias, or we will wait for the selfie and ramen to get cold. before we enjoy it. So it can happen everywhere, anywhere. You are in middle of a noise, you can focus your breath. That means you are under a state of meditation. Just bring awareness here and it is easy.
Very true. Very true. Very, very true. Absolutely. Now, what are your future plans for Nitisha's education?
क्या ही मतलब, आप ऐसा बोलोगे कि इंडिया में 50 ऑफलाइन सेंटर होना एक प्लान माना जाएगा? नो, दैट्स नॉट प्लान फॉर मी. वो तो होगा. That's something I'm not talking here. Involving this holistic education not only in children but in every citizen of India.
Fantastic.
Making them aware. Man, we don't know, adults don't know what even they are speaking.
Absolutely.
Just because you have mouth, you will go and speak anything. You will gossip anywhere, everywhere. So teaching that alignment, that consciousness, taking into consideration the external environment. I mean, science has helped us to take control of exterior. But what about interior?
Interior. Inner का क्या है?
Inner का क्या है? There's one thing. There was a saint जो अपने हट में बैठा हुआ था, right? और उसका दोस्त आ रहा है और बाहर से जोर से knocking in the morning 5 a.m. Come out, the sun has come out and it is looking so beautiful. Don't miss the sunrise. So that saint said, you come inside, because inside I am not sitting with the creation you are watching outside. I am sitting with the creator himself.
Wow.
So
Right.
go inside, man. We have been out since ages and yugs.
True. See, this is the essence of the entire existence ourselves.
Yes.
But this message that you are saying, and I've also been echoing that as well. I think ये अगर लोगों को समझ में आ जाए, that is gold. That day it is sealed. That day it is done.
Yes.
That day, I think civilization overall will be an entire differently crafted. Yeah, it'll be.
जो इनफैक्ट थोड़ा अंदर जाएंगे ना, तो जो बाहर हमने बनाया ना, उसको भी ऑप्टिमम यूज कर पाएंगे.
100%, of course.
I am not saying leave everything, but get stable, get aligned, and do everything so that everything will get a quality. बहुत कुछ है पर quality नहीं है. Richness is missing now. In everything. It's very superficially touched in everything.
Yes. It is not like, it's like you said, the richness of experience is just not there, because everything is just touched upon. अच्छा, ये यहाँ से हमने ये सुना है, यहाँ से हमने ये सुना है, यहाँ से हमने ये सुना, पर तुम क्या सोच रही है तो कुछ किसी को पता नहीं. Kind of that consciousness, that centering yourself is complete.
Yes.
And that is wonderful. So I love the fact that you said that. And what else?
यही करना है.
I think that's major. That's it.
That's it. यही करना है, और बाकी का जो है ना, वो तो अपने आप ही चल रहा है. और चलता जाएगा.
Right. Absolutely. Always onwards and upwards. Absolutely.
So I will not want to write down my, like, in the quantifying thing. I want to qualify. Qualifying मुझे growth करना है. Not quantity कि आज मेरे 2 है तो कल 5 और फिर 10 फिर 20. It does not matter. This logistics will never matter. If I'm not contented, if I'm not happy, if my parents are not aware how they are talking to children, if my children are not aware how to live, how to find their own purpose, how to hear your own soul calling, how to follow your passion, I'm a failure.
Very true. Now, can we jump to some rapid fire?
Okay.
Marks or skills?
Skills.
Of course. One thing children stress about too much.
कल का पेपर बहुत हार्ड आने वाला है.
Online or offline?
Online.
Motivation or discipline?
Discipline.
Now I'll just it's a quick question. Now I'll go back to you said online. Why online?
Traveling time cut. Comfort. Dekho, if I want to gain something, I will have to be comfortable. I will have to be distractionless. I'm single child sitting in my own house, in my own room, in my own study table. If I can have access to everything a child is enjoying in offline classroom, and I can cut off the disadvantages, which is someone is randomly commenting and then you being participated in that, and then this chaos happens. अगर वो आपका बच रहा है, आपका traveling time नहीं जा रहा है, you are at least bringing good to some environment by less of your petrol and diesel and cars and cabs and whatsoever. तो study in your own comfort zone. But उसका आंसर दूसरे क्वेश्चन में था, विच इज मोटिवेशन और डिसिप्लिन. ऑनलाइन में डिसिप्लिन बड़ा चाहिए.
Right, right.
You are the master in online.
Correct. One word to describe today's education system.
Curiosity driven बन रहा है, which is good.
Yeah. One mindset shift every child needs.
I can do anything and everything.
Absolutely. Everything is possible. I am possible.
Yes.
Impossible maybe I am possible.
Possible.
Yeah. One mindset shift every parent needs.
My child is supposed to be where he or she should be. So trust that process, because you never chose your child. You did not went to God and picked up your child. Actually, your child picked up you as a parent.
Your child chose you. Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah.
So now trust, because a child also has his own things to do.
Definitely.
Parents wants to control everything like studies, education, marriage, societal status, कितनी कार, कितना घर, सब कुछ parents नहीं करके जा सकते.
नहीं.
So trust that your child is exactly where he or she is supposed to be.
Very true. One message for children and parents.
Learn something new every day. Be it one single vocabulary, be it some new, or do some new task every day. You have never watered a plant, pick a glass of water and water it. Do something new or learn something new. Bas.
That's very powerful. Absolutely. Now I want to go back to a little bit to your social media. So tell us how you started the social media part, and what happened with that, and how did that grow, and a little bit about that.
Okay. Grow कैसा हुआ ना? तो grow के लिए है ना, it's a very funny incident. I was at somewhere 700-800 followers, and within 2 days I was at 20,000. अब हुआ क्या था उसमें? CBSE, सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, राइट? तो उस टाइम रील बनाई थी मैंने, सीबीएसई का कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन आया था तो उस पे लगाई थी, और ऑटो जनरेट कैप्शन था इंस्टाग्राम का वो टाइम पे अच्छा फीचर. इंस्टाग्राम ने लिख दिया CBSC बड़े से उस पे, तो ट्रोलिंग शुरू हुई. ट्रोलिंग से विजिबिलिटी शुरू हुई. ये बंदी को तो CBSE है वो ही नहीं पता. बोला CBSE, तो SC बोलो और HC बोलो, तो दोनों सही था, और ऑटो कैप्शन में C आ गया था इंस्टेड ऑफ E. तो वैसे भी चीजें अच्छी तो किस मिसिंग टाइल सिंड्रोम वी हैव दैट, कि क्या बुरा है, तो बुरी चीज स्प्रेड होने लग गई जो गलत था वो. तो भैया मेरी तो निकल पड़ी थी वैसे भी. लोग कमेंट देखने आने लगे, कमेंट सुनने आने लगे, पढ़ने, बिकॉज सी when a reel is viral, a reel is not viral because of its the comments.
Yeah.
I loved every bit of trolling. Because in the back of the mind I was clear with my goals. ठीक है, मुझे it's okay. I am not that arrogant कि मुझे जाके क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मुझे क्या किसी को समझाना है. But I was actually thinking about that scenario कि कहाँ पे अटके जा रहे हैं लोग यार। मैं कुछ अच्छा बोल रही हूँ, सीबीएसई ने कुछ लॉन्च किया है, मैं वो बता रही हूँ, वो नहीं इम्पोर्टेंट है।
नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, हाँ, दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड। कहाँ से सी और ई का बीच में अटक, यू नो, दे आर
बस
कंप्लीटली लाइक स्टक इन।
तो ये था भाई कि वहां से फिर जर्नी शुरू हुई। फिर एक और चीज, जैसे मैंने बोला, आई वॉज वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड। तो मुझे है ना वो बड़ा है कि भाई आप पेपर में है ना, एंड यस दैट्स माई गिफ्ट। आई सी सप्लीमेंट्री ऑफ अ चाइल्ड, I can, just by flipping the papers, I can detect exact mindset, mind zone while the children was writing that paper. वो कॉन्फिडेंट था, वो डरा हुआ था, उसने जल्दी में लिखा है, उसने पूछ पाछ के लिखा है यहाँ वहां से. That energy is readable, and that is readable to almost every teacher, every conscious teacher. तो मुझे है ना पेपर कैसे लिखना है, क्योंकि बेचारे बच्चे, अभी तो सिस्टम यही है कि 3 घंटे में आपको आपका वर्थ प्रूफ करना है, उसको तो अभी मैं फिलहाल नहीं बदल सकती. तो आई विल मेक यू राइट. कैसे 3 घंटे में आप अच्छा खासा इंप्रेशन बना के लिख के आओगे. लेट नॉट योर वर्ड्स स्पीक, बट एनर्जी यू पुट इन राइटिंग दोज वर्ड्स स्पीक. तो उसके लिए मैंने पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन का कोर्स लेना शुरू कर दिया. कैसे आपको अच्छे से डायग्राम्स करने हैं, रफ वर्क कहाँ करना है, ये कहाँ, जो बहुत छोटी चीजें है, जो एक रैंकर भी मिस आउट कर देता था.
Basically the softer skills, you know, which would probably be
Yes.
right, right.
बिकॉज कुछ कुछ चीजें ना बड़ी आपके लिए, वो आप कुछ ना बोलो पर आपके अराउंड की चीजें आपके लिए चीखती है. योर शूज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट स्पीक्स अ लॉट. योर
Absolutely.
नेल्स, your toenails, particularly if they're visible, it
Yeah,
speaks a lot.
right, right.
The crimps on your shirts, it speaks a lot.
Absolutely.
So you don't need money to look this all crispy. Just a right intention and awareness कि okay ये यहाँ पे है. You don't have to follow the trends. You don't have to go Zudio every week, Westside every week, Zara every week to see the trends.
True.
Wear plain white shirt, wear blue denim, perfect. But ये जो चीजें,
that is
yes.
the absolutely correct.
तो ये पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स उसको रिलेट करना शुरू हो गए, जो मैं मेरे ही ऑफलाइन के बच्चों के सप्लीमेंट्रीज खोल खोल के एक्सप्लेन करके आई यूज्ड टू कीप इट. और उनका प्यार, और फिर उन्होंने चाहा, मांगा कि ये सिखाओ. तो फिर मैंने उसको 2 आवर के कोर्स में कंपाइल कर दिया. और ये है ना, मेरा एक है कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आए ना, पेरेंट्स बोले कि मैम दिस, तो आई विल इधर कम अप विद अ कराउजल टू सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, और with 2 hour, 1 hour course to solve their problems.
Fantastic, very good.
Right?
So now, do you communicate with your followers?
Sorry?
Do you communicate with your followers?
Yes. Each and every message goes under my eye of 133K followers. And then after it goes into segregated compartment to 3 different team members. If it is of books, there's one separate team member. If it is of course, there's one another. If it is of something else, like anything other queries, it gets allotted. But everything, I am still the big boss of my DMs.
Good. Wonderful. So is there like one memorable message that you'd like to share, which, you still remember one of those messages that came on Instagram for you?
Okay, yeah. There was one child जिन्होंने हमारा 6th का फाउंडेशन बुक लिया था, और वो कुछ उसने सर्टिफिकेट भी भेज रहा था. उसने नेशनल लेवल का एग्जामिनेशन दिया था, मैथ्स और साइंस का. ही स्कोर्ड 2nd.
Oh, wow.
तो वो रिजल्ट आया था, और फिर नीचे बुक्स का आया था कि भाई वी गॉट इट, एंड सो वी गेट एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ इट, एंड वी फील हैप्पी. वी कीप इट इन स्टोरी, वी स्प्रेड दैट हैप्पीनेस, एंड और चीजें ऐसी बहुत होती रहती, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी ओपन टू लाइफ. सो थिंग्स हैज टू कम टू मी. आई मीन, कहाँ जाएगी? आई एम द गार्डन, butterflies has to come.
Of course.
And they come, we enjoy, we celebrate, we put on stories, and we keep on doing our work. We are this in terms of doing our work.
Absolutely.
I have never missed a single day of my work post COVID. COVID तक तो घर पे थे. उसके बाद में एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं होगा I have missed my work. I work on Sundays also.
Because that is passion and that is meditation, that is everything for you.
मुझे यही करना था और मैं कर रही हूँ, तो अब तो
Correct.
दूसरी तीसरी बात ही नहीं है उसमें.
नहीं है, exactly, which is I think a blessing for you.
Yes, yes.
A lot of people are on the path to finding that, how do I become like you, probably.
Yes.
Just in terms of the work part, or the dharma part, or
Yes,
how-
yes.
how-
Consciousness part.
consciousness part. Correct. Now, this is I love asking this question. So suppose there is a book on you, a biography. What would you like to name it?
A girl who never stopped believing.
Ah, nice. I like it. That's nice. Wonderful. So with that, I think, Nitisha, I think I've asked pretty much, most of the questions that I wanted to. And if there is anything else that, my team needs, they will definitely reach out
Sure.
to you.
Sure.
And additionally, I would, enjoyed our conversation. I would also like to know how you liked talking to Global Influencers Hub.
तो it was such a wonderful experience, क्योंकि जब हम किसी से बात करते हैं ना, तब हमें बहुत सारा रियलाइजेशन होता है. Actually, when we got of this call, I'm going to write so many things. मैंने यहाँ पे ऐसे रखा हुआ है, and I'll write it down, क्योंकि बात करते करते बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे कैटेगराइज कर पाते हैं हम, क्योंकि ये ही ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है somehow. So I loved taking you inside me, while I also discover some new parts inside me, because there's the whole world within us.
Absolutely.
हम कितना अपने आप को जान पाते हैं, that is our capability.
Correct.
So yes, I loved a little bit more, and I loved you a lot more today.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much. And on that note, I'd also love to say that, I'm also working on another initiative called Youngpreneurs, and which is about, instilling entrepreneurial mindset in teenagers and beyond. And I feel that, of course, I loved the profile when I was talking to. And then I really enjoyed your thought process and all of it as well. So I do think there can be some synergy with that as well.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. You have a wonderful day and best of luck with
Thank you.
everything in life.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.